Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from down a yard? Oh no pretty? Oh no curry? How was the curry mutton? How was the goated soup? Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Old and new subscribers alike. And this morning, welcome to this here Jamaican Fried Bammy. Okay? Now, this is, I have right here a pack of bammy, and it comes with 3 inside there. Now, this has already been done. It can be eaten as it is. But, when it gets a bit like cold or so, in Jamaica, and you all, when you come to Jamaica and go and get your fish, your escovitch fish and all of that, you know what I'm talking about. So, I'm going to do a video. I'm going to try my best to get the cassava. You know the bammy is from the cassava plant. So, I'm going to try my best to get it. And I'm going to do for you a video in depth how we get the cassava to bring it to this stage, which is the bammy. Now, we have the bammy that is already made. All we're going to do in this video is to proceed and teach you how you go about frying off your bammy. How to go about frying off your bammy that you can enjoy it so well. Now, I have right here, this is like about 3 or 2 3/4 cups of freshly squeezed coconut milk. I'm going to get my bammy in 4 quarters. So, that's one. I'm going to cut this one. And I'm going to get another quarters. So these are in quarters. Now sometimes we do them in sticks. So when you're doing them in sticks, you cut it like this. In about a 3/4 or ½ inch. This is a little more. So we do them like this. When we are doing sticks, we do them like this. So we are doing some quartered bammies or some bammy bread. We call it like a little bread, and we are doing them in the form of a stick. I'm just showing you how you can do. Okay, y'all? We call it, when we do it like this, we call it the bammy stick. So we are going to set them here in our coconut milk to soak. Hope you have enough. If you are using more bammy, you would want to need more coconut milk. So we are going to set them all in there to soak up. And we're going to leave them all in there for a good 5 to 7 minutes to get soaked up in this here or coconut milk. Okay, y'all? So, if you don't have coconut milk, you can proceed to use plain water. But you have got to put a little salt to taste in the water. You don't use the salt in the coconut milk, just the plain, freshly squeezed coconut milk. Okay? But if you don't have coconut milk and you can use plain water, but you have got to put a little salt to taste in the water. So we're going to leave them right here for a good 5 to 6 minutes, no more than 7 the most, to soak up this here or coconut milk mixture. When you see us next, we'll show you how we proceed to drain them from our coconut milk mixture, and we are going to fry them off. Okay, y'all?